Before I start, I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what I'm doing on the back end, how you can get free information on this stuff, and where you can see the free resources for where I did this for CIS controls to ISO 27001. So if you go to link in bio, ConvoCourses.com, you'll see a site that looks like this. And I've got a bunch of courses, many of which are free and have a bunch of downloadables. And if you join my newsletter, sometimes I'll give books away for free. I'll give free resources, tons of free stuff. Most of the free stuff that I do is on YouTube or on Facebook. But yeah, so this is CIS Control Family. And in this one, this is free, totally free to sign up. Totally. I mapped CIS controls to ISO 27001, free to download. And I actually walk you through this. So I explain what's going on with this. So that's free. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about, we're going to be breaking down how CIS controls map to NIST 800 controls. But before I do that, another thing I should let you know is that I actually expanded another part of my course. If you're interested, it is for breaking down the risk management framework, ISO 27001, and documentation piece. And so what we're doing is breaking down each one of the families and interpreting each one of those. So I've added the personally identifiable controls, this is privacy, and how the NIST, how the government treats privacy. And then we've also added A controls as well to this one. And we're just going to keep on adding more and more families to this. And it's been going pretty good, and appreciate everybody who's participated in that one. And the other one that we expanded, let me see, where's the other one at? The other one that we added stuff to is called the Security Control Assessor course. That one's been expanded as well. Added a whole section to that one if you're interested in that. Now there's 39 section lessons to this one. And what we added here is the security assessment plan, and it's telling you how to do your own security assessment plan and like a downloadable, and then I walk you through how to do that. So if you're interested in that, go to Convo